Today we're going to be reviewing a spotless Hoover spot cleaner. So here it is in the box. Got it from Amazon. This is by far, from my research, is going to be the best of the value. So this was $100. With tax it was like $108, depending on your states. That's how it's going to go. I will leave the description, a link in the description below. But let's go ahead and open this up. So there were some great features on this which a lot of the other ones didn't offer. But this was one of the cheapest ones too, which kinda was like, wow. So let's see how it actually is. So I have the full-size version, which is a vacuum, which does the same thing. But this is a spot cleaner meant for like smaller spaces or like stairways or sofa and stuff like that. So here it is in the box. I opened it from the back side because my address and stuff was on the other side. So here it is in the box. It's protected with these things on the side. I'm surprised it wasn't in any other boxes. Hope nothing is damaged from the shipping. So you can see a little bit of the plastic here is ripped, but not a big deal, no scratches or anything like that. Hey, it's a vacuum cleaner, not a car. I don't want this to fall, so I'm just gonna break these off. Here's a little sample of the cleaner that you're going to be using. I'm going to be using this first and then see how it is, and then you could just reorder these on Amazon or get them somewhere else. Maybe Walmart even has these too. So that's that, and the machine itself is here. Oh, there's another one. Here. Right there, there's another product I did want you to check out. This is an expert clean, and this is spot treatment. So these are the two products that it comes with. Both of them are by Hoover. Hoover is actually a great company. I've used Hoover before, so yeah, I don't have any complaints. And here's another thing that actually attracted me for buying this thing. Was this. Here's the brush that you're going to be scrubbing and stuff with, and this takes, this puts the water in and takes it out. As you can see, this is silicone, so hair and stuff is not going to get on the bristles, and it's not going to look all that ugly. And since this is, it's not that stiff as I expected, but it's pretty stiff, so I hope they don't break. But yeah, if they don't break and they hold up well, this will be perfect. You could scrub much with more greater force, and this is what it looks like. Next up, I don't know where this is from, probably something with the hose. This also has a self-cleaning port here, so you can stick the hose into and it'll clean itself. Isn't that fun? So I lost all my knives. Let's move that down. It has a clear hose, so you could, see what's going on inside. So there's a pipe in there inside it. I guess it's probably, that's the clean water going out, and big pipe maybe is for the dirty water coming in. So that is that. The cord is pretty long. It's longer than, well, not longer than, but it's enough for you to set the machine somewhere and use it. And it's in a good quality, so yeah, it's not going to be damaged easily. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out, how everything works and all that. There are two tanks. This is the recovery tank, and this is the solution tank. This is where you put the fresh water and solution in here, and the recovery is where the dirty water goes. The switch is up here under the handle. Very easy to use. It's not that heavy. And this is where the cord goes. And when you get to the end, there's a little clip here on the plug here, so you could just push it right in. This is how you put the hose in. Stick it in like that, and go around, and just like that. To add clean water and solution to this machine, you don't need to go to a water source. You can simply unclip this with a button here and take this there, and then this is the fill cap. You open this up and you put your solution and water right in here. That's a lot of dirty water, and this is the clean water. So as you can see how clear this is and how dirty that is. This is the last thing that you're going to be doing. You just take this off with the button here. You just push this button and it comes right off. And then you plug the hose in this yellow thing here. Just plug it in. Okay. I don't know how much you have to plug it in. Yeah, it definitely goes this way. I would think that's it. And then turn it on. Oh, look at that. So the hose is being cleaned right now, and water is dropping down really fast. So this is definitely a wasteful step. Oh, it's leaking. Oh Lord. Okay, so I think I didn't plug it in all the way, maybe. Yeah, well, it doesn't even snap in or anything, so I don't really know what's going on here. Or did I put it in wrong? No idea. But that's that. But that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.